This week our letter is letter D, and D makes it sound t, t, t. So when we form capital D, we go down to the ground and then take a break and make a half a circle. That's what we make. And then lowercase d is a doorknob and a door. So our homework options for letter D, I'm sure everybody has some gift bows laying around since Christmas is only 8 days away. They can use gift bows to form capital D and lowercase d. They can write in Play-Doh. So what we do for this is we just take some Play-Doh and smash it down, and then you can use a pencil. Here at school we use golf tee, and you can just write capital D and lowercase d in the Play-Doh. Last week we made a letter K poster, and the kids really loved it. So an option for letter D this week is making a letter D poster, and they came up with the words, and a lot of the kids really enjoyed writing those words on that poster. So if you just spell it out for them, they can write it on there, or sometimes if you write in a lighter color like yellow, they can write right on top of it. They really enjoyed that. And then last options are handwriting page.